Assalamu alaikum, teacher and my fellow classmate, greeting to you all. My name is MD Mahfuz Hassan. In today's video assignment, I stand before you to represent my Pabna district as it is tourism brand ambassador. When people hear Pabna, as first thing that often comes in the mind, the famous mental hospital. While that is a part of our history, it has unfortunately overshadowed the true essence of the district. Pabna is actually a vast treasure trove of ancient history, breathtaking natural beauty, and now modern technological marvels. Let's explore why Pabna deserves to be recognized as a premier destination in Bangladesh tourism industry. History, architectural, and technological marvels. For lovers of history and architectural tourism, Pabna is an absolute goldmine. Over the Padma River, the century-old hardened bridge stands as a magnificent symbol of British era engineering, right next to the modern Lalon Shah Bridge. But that not all. Just a short distance away in Ishordi, the monumental Rupur nuclear power plant as Bangladesh's first nuclear power project. It stands as a glowing symbol of our national technology advancement. Viewing this massive infrastructure from the outside adds a unique dimension of educational and technological tourism to the district. If we delve into the antiquity, the 16th century Chakmahal Shahi Mosque and the historic Taras Bhavan instantly transport tourists back in time. Additionally, the peaceful Sangsta ashram of Sri Sri Tharu Anushankal attracts thousands of visitors every year, transcending all religion. Ecotourism and natural beauty. Now let's talk about ecotourism. Pabna is a home of Chalanbil, the largest wetland in Bangladesh. During the monsoon, its endless expanse of water truly mesmerizing. Taking a boat ride through the vast, turquoise water body offers a much-needed refreshing escape from our robotic urban lives. Furthermore, as winter arrives, Chalanbills transform as into a beautiful sanctuary for the thousands of migratory birds, making it an absolute paradise from natural lovers and photographers. Traditional economy and gastronomy. Tourism is also deeply connected to the local culture and economy. Pabna's traditional handloom and cloth industry celebrated nationwide, allowing tourists a unique opportunity to watch artisans create a magic to the threads. For Glomström tourism, Pabna's food is lover delighted, the pure gawa ghee, the delicious rasmalai, the famous para sundaes, and more than enough to draw any food enthusiast here. In conclusion, very few districts offer such wonderful blend of history, nature, modern technology, and culture. Thanks to improve communication network, traveling to Pabna is easier than ever. I invited you all to visit Pabna. Thanks you all very much for your time. Okay.